In the whirlwind of our daily lives, finding time for elaborate meal prep can be daunting. This is where the underestimated art of meal planning swoops in to save the day. Picture this: a week where your meals are not just delicious but effortlessly falling into place, saving you time, money, and stress. Meal planning isn't just about what to eat, it's a strategy, a mindset, a way to reclaim control over your busy schedule. By setting aside a dedicated time each week to plan your meals, you unlock a treasure trove of benefits. First off, you save money by buying only what you need, minimizing waste. Moreover, you save those precious moments during the hectic weeknights when deciding what's for dinner feels like a monumental task. With a plan in hand, you breeze through the week with confidence, knowing that your meals are sorted. Not to mention the health perks. By intentionally mapping out balanced meals, you make healthier choices effortlessly. The key lies in starting small. Begin by jotting down a few meal ideas for the week, considering your schedule and preferences. Keep it flexible to adapt to unforeseen events. As you grow comfortable, explore batch cooking and freezing meals for busy days. The magic of meal planning is its ability to transform your relationship with food, turning mealtime into a moment of joy rather than chaos. Embrace the power of meal planning and watch as your days become smoother, your wallet heavier, and your health stronger.